eToro Crypto Review. Watch before using. Most people assume investing in cryptocurrency is risky and complicated, but eToro combines social trading, advanced tools, and beginner-friendly interfaces to make crypto investing more accessible. eToro allows you to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins. One standout feature is Copy Trader, which lets you replicate trades from experienced investors, providing a hands-on learning experience while managing risk. Most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto platforms are purely speculative. The surprising truth is eToro also offers portfolio tracking, risk management tools, and educational resources to guide decision-making. Users can monitor market trends, set stop-loss orders, and diversify investments across crypto, stocks, and ETFs. Another advantage is accessibility. eToro is available on web and mobile apps, supports multiple payment methods, and provides real-time market data. It also emphasizes security with two-factor authentication and segregated client accounts. However, there are considerations. Cryptocurrency trading is volatile, and users can lose capital quickly if not careful. Fees vary depending on the asset and withdrawal method, so understanding costs before trading is essential. In conclusion, eToro is a strong platform for both beginners and experienced crypto investors. Its combination of social trading, risk management, and user-friendly interface makes it a reliable choice for exploring cryptocurrency markets. Subscribe for more honest crypto and investment platform reviews before entering the market.